So I have my fish here, so I'm gonna pour some lemon juice onto them just to kill a little bit of that raw scent. I'm gonna add some water to this. I'm just gonna let them soak for a few minutes. So I have my frying pan here, and I'm gonna add some oil. We're gonna use this oil to fry our fish. So that's good. I'm gonna season them with some seasoning salt. You can use any type of fish you want. I think it's really just personal preference. So I have like a mixture of different fishes here. Just two different kinds, as you can see between these two. And you want to mix that in. Make sure that gets all over your fish. So a way that I like to check if the oil is hot is with a wooden spoon, and you just put it in there, and if it starts to fizz, it's not yet hot. See, it's not fizzing all that great yet. So it still needs a little bit of time to warm up. So it's nice and hot now. It's sizzling on all ends, so you can go ahead and add in our fish. So we're going to let them fry until they're golden brown on each side. So I have another pan here. I'm going to add some butter to that. Just get that nice and melted. So we'll say about 2 tablespoons of butter. You want to turn your stove down so you don't want your butter to burn. So here I have some fresh thyme. I have some garlic chopped up, a little Scotch bonnet pepper, some onions, I got some tomatoes, and some sweet peppers. You want to go ahead and add those right into your pan. We'll add our thyme and we'll look at it later. So we'll take those out for now. Maybe just gonna spot in there. We're gonna add a little bit of mixed herbs. So it just says mixed herbs on the package. It comes with all sorts of different things in there. And then we're going to add a tad bit of seasoning salt. And then we're just going to combine that in our pot. If you have some black pepper, you can go ahead and add that right into here. I kind of ran out, so I got to be substituted. So it's been about a minute or two, and I've been constantly stirring this. So here I have a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and I'm just going to add that right into there. And I'm throwing my thyme leaves. And then I'm going to add about a cup of water. And then we're going to mix that in. And then we're going to let this turn to a boil before we turn it down. So it's been about a minute. Let this saute on its own. So now we're going to add our fish into here. So just move your seasoning a little bit, just so you can get your fish in there. And then you want to start adding your fish right in there, right into that gravy. Make as much space as you can. Can't fit them all in there without moving everything. That's okay, because you're going to start to scoop all this goodness right on top of your fish. Look at that. Really good. So I'm going to scoop all this goodness right on top. So we're going to move that over and just make space for the rest. You want to do the same thing. So what you want to do is scoop as much gravy as you can get and just basically saturate the top of your fish with it. We're gonna give it about 5 minutes on each side, and then you want to turn your fish so that both sides can get an even thorough cook and you're not just cooking just the one side. If you like pepper, you can add a cut Scotch bonnet in here. If you have the sauce pepper, you can add that in here as well. It's really, like I said, about personal preference and what you like. I that looks good. So we'll be back in about 5 minutes. So what you want to do, cover this and you're going to let it steam. So right now my stove is on about 2. We're going to turn it to about 4. So it's been 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and check on it. It is going to make its own little steam, which is good. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and flip them now because you want them to get an even cook on both sides. Then when you're done, you can just add some of this goodness right back on top. So we're going to do 10 minutes on each side. It's not 10 minutes, sorry. So we're going to do 5 minutes on this side as well, and then it's pretty much done. That's the end of your dish. You can serve it with either some dumpling, yam and banana, all that goodness, or you can serve with some steamed rice, whichever you prefer, or even some pasta, whichever one you enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this dish. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next dish. Bye!